I'm sure you've heard the news. Heart sounds aren't always the same. Sometimes S1 is super soft, other times it's loud and clear. Let's break down why. So, S1 is the first heart sound, the classic lub when your heart valve snaps shut. But why does it change? Think of S1 like the sound of a door closing. If you gently push the door, it's a soft S1. This can happen in conditions like a stiff mitral valve or a slow heartbeat. But slam that door? That's a loud S1. You'll hear this when the valves are wide open before snapping shut, like in a fast heart rate or mitral stenosis. So next time you listen with your stethoscope, remember, soft or loud, S1 tells a story about what's happening in the heart. Happy auscultating!